Also, after meditation and evening prayer, we pray for you and giving all healing powers for you. Sabbhe buddha balapatta pacce kananca yambalang arahantananca tejena rakkang bandham sampaso nakkatta yakka bhutanang papakka nivarana parittassānubhāvena hantu te sammupaddhave. Blessing of Lord Buddha with Reiki powers, Reiki healing powers, and chanting Lord Buddha's Paritta. And we are giving all healing powers. With these healing powers, clean your aura, all remove your all black energies, black powers, and giving good energies for you. This will help to you for your health and all the students doing educations for examinations. So it will be blessing for you and giving health, wealth, and good prosperity for your life. Blessing of Lord Buddha. Namo Buddhaya.